Welcome to Finassets. If you're looking for professional crypto payment solutions for your business, this video is for you. Finassets was founded in 2021. With 5 years in the market, it has become a reliable choice for online businesses seeking crypto payment solutions. Finassets offers a complete set of crypto payment services designed specifically for online businesses. You can easily accept crypto payments using payment buttons, create and send crypto invoices to clients worldwide, process mass payouts quickly and efficiently, seamlessly connect everything using crypto payment API integration, automatically convert crypto to fiat, custody services, and manage assets through the built-in exchange. All essential tools are available in one platform. One of the key advantages of Finassets is its low fee structure. It uses a progressive fee model, with transaction fees starting at 0.4% and decreasing to just 0.2% based on your monthly transaction volume. As your business grows, your fees are automatically reduced. Beyond low processing fees, Finassets offers an exclusive Tron energy saving system. This system helps businesses save more than 50% on network fees. It's especially helpful for companies processing high transaction volumes, particularly when using USDT/TRC20 for payments. Security is a top priority at Finassets. Your data and funds are protected with MPC cryptography, two-factor authentication, role-based access control, firewalls, and IP whitelisting, ensuring enterprise-level protection for your business. Still unsure if Finassets is the right fit for you? Try the Finassets crypto payment gateway demo. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos from Finassets.